Trigonometry. We use trigonometry for finding angle and sides of a right angle triangle. We already know, using Pythagoras theorem, the vertical line is a perpendicular and the horizontal line is a base and the slanting line is a hypotenuse. Using this is a 90 degree. So you take this as an angle theta. So the sine theta, the perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. The sine theta opposite side is perpendicular, adjacent side hypotenuse. So sine theta perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos theta base by hypotenuse. Tan theta sin theta divided by cos theta. So perpendicular by hypotenuse into hypotenuse by base equal to perpendicular by base. Cosecant theta reciprocal of sin theta. So hypotenuse by base, perpendicular. Secant theta cos reciprocal of cos theta. So h by b. Cot theta reciprocal of tan theta. B by h. P. Base by perpendicular. I have a simple word, simple sentence. Using this sentence, find this perpendicular by hypotenuse, base by hypotenuse. You remember? Easily remember. Some people have curly black hair through proper brushing. First you underline the first letter of each word. S, P, H, C, B, H, T, P, B. This S denotes sin theta, C denotes cos theta, T denotes tan theta. P, so perpendicular hypotenuse. B, base hypotenuse. P, perpendicular base. So you come sin theta perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos theta base by hypotenuse. Tan theta perpendicular by base. So you finding this value is, first you remember this sentence, then underline the first word. Using this sentence you fill up this 6 ratios. These are 6 important ratios in trigonometric functions. So then next find the value. It is a 90 degree. Suppose these two, sum of these two angles are 90 degree. So it is 90 degree, it is 0 means this angle is 90 degree. 30, 60, 45, 45. So how to find the value of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. For that first you take the number 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then next step divided by 4. So 0, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Then next take a square root. So 0, 1 by square root of 4, 1 by 2. 1 by 2, so 1 by root 2. Root 3 by 4. So square root of root 3, square root of 4 is 2. 4 by 4 cancel 1. So the first you write sine of 0. The sine of 0, sine theta values are these values. So you write 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. This is sine 0 equal to 0, sine 30 equal to 1 by 2, sine 45 equal to 1 by root 2, sine 60 equal to root 3 by 2, sine 90 equal to 1. Then cos, simply take a reverse order. This 90 value as cos 0 value, 60 value as 30 value, 45 value as 45, 30, 60, 0, 90. So 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Then tan. Already I told tan theta is sin theta divided by cos theta. So 0 divided by 1, 0. 1 by root 2 divided by root 3, 1 by root 3. Here 1, root 3, 1 by 0. Anything divided by 0 is infinity. So this value is infinity. Then we want to find the value of these 3. Cosecant theta reciprocal of sin theta, secant theta reciprocal of cos theta, cot theta reciprocal of tan theta. So if it is here 0 means you take it as 0 divided by 1. 0 divided by 1. So what is the value of cosecant 0? Cosecant 0 means here 0 divided by 1. So 1 divided by 0. So anything divided by 0, infinity. Then 2 root 2, 2 by root 3, 1. Same way cos here. Secant 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2. Here 0 by 1. Take it as 1 by 0. So infinity. Here 0 by 1. Reciprocal 1 by 0. Cot infinity. Root 3, 1, 1 by root 3. This infinity value take it as 1 divided by 0. So here 0. It is a trigonometric ratios, trigonometric values of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Next, we want to find the value of sin of 90 minus theta, cos of 90 minus theta, tan of 90 minus theta. You take a right angle triangle. This is 90 degree, this is theta. So using angle sum property, this value is 90 minus theta. This angle is 90 minus theta. Take an A, B, C. So this A, B, B, C, C, A. So sin of 90 minus theta. Here angle is 90 minus theta. For already I told sin of 90 minus theta is perpendicular by base. The perpendicular side is opposite of that angle is a perpendicular side. So for cos sin of 90 minus theta, BC is perpendicular, AB is base. For cos of 90 minus theta, for theta, AB is perpendicular, BC is base. For theta, AB is for theta, AB is perpendicular, BC is base. For 90 minus theta, opposite side is perpendicular. BC perpendicular, BC is perpendicular, AB is base. BC is perpendicular, AB is base. So for sin theta, sin of 90 minus theta, BC divided by AC. So cos of 90 minus theta, base divided by hypotenuse AC. Tan of 90 minus theta, BC divided by AB. Sin of 90 minus theta divided by cos of 90 minus theta. I want to compare the 90 minus theta and theta value. So what is the value of cos theta? Using theta, what is the value of cos theta? Cos theta equal to AB BC. For theta, BC is a base. BC divided by AC. So this value, these two are equal. Sin of 90 minus theta equal to BC by AC. The right hand side of both are equal. One, take it as this as a 1, this as a 2. Sin of 90 minus theta, BC minus divided by AC. Cos of 90, cos theta, BC minus AC. If the right hand side are equal means the left hand side also equal. So sin of 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Similarly, cos of 90 minus theta, AB by AC. So what is the value of sin theta? AB by AC. So cos of 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Then tan of 90 minus theta equal to, what is cot theta? Tan of 90 minus theta. What is a cot theta value? Tan theta equal to AB divided by BC. Cot theta equal to BC divided by AC. Here also BC divided by AC. So equal to cot theta. Sin, cos, sin, tan, cot. The same way, cosecant of 90 minus theta, secant theta. Secant of 90 minus theta cosecant theta. So easily remember SC sin cos, cos sin, tan cot, the reverse order TAN SCOT, cosecant CSC, secant cosecant. It is the values of sin of 90 minus theta, cos of 90 minus theta, tan of 90 minus theta. One more thing is very important. 4 quadrants are there. Which quadrant, which angles are, which ratios are positive? There also, so it's a one more important thing. We have a 4 quadrant. A plane have a 4 quadrant. It's a first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So first quadrant, in which quadrant, which ratios are positive and negative. So that also you simply remember one sentence. All silver tea cup. All silver tea cup. All STC. In first quadrant, all positive. Second quadrant, sign positive. Sign means sign and reciprocal of sign are positive. Reciprocal of sign is cosecant. So the sign and cosecant positive. In third quadrant, tan positive. Tan and reciprocal of tan cot positive. In fourth quadrant, cos positive. The cos and then reciprocal of cos secant. First quadrant, all positive. Sin, cos, all 6 ratios. All 6 ratios are positive. So one more important thing. So for trigonometry, we simply remember 2 sentences. One sentence is all silver tea cup. This sentence for using which quadrant, which ratios are positive and negative. Then the one more, another one. Some people have curly black hair through proper brushing. That is, first underline the first word of each word, first letter of each word. That is sin equal to perpendicular by base. Cos equal to base, sin equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Some people have SPH, curly black hair, CBH, cos, base, hypotenuse, through proper brushing, tan, BP, T equal to, tan equal to perpendicular divided by base. One more easy option is there for finding the values of 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. One more easy, first I told last one 0 to 1, you take a values of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then divided by 2, then divided by 4, then take a square root. One more thing is using fingers we find the values of each ratios, each degree, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. For finding sin 0, sin 30. Sin 30 means you bend this finger. Then the left hand side is 1, the right hand side is 3, the total 4. For sin means left hand side divided by total, square root of left hand side divided by total. So the value of sin 30 is 1 divided by 4, that is 1 by 2. Then 60, this side 2 divided by 4. So square root of 2 divided by 4, 1 by 2. Then, this is 45, this is 60. 3 divided by 4, root 3 by 2. This is 90. 4 divided by 4, that is 1. So same way you want to find cos 30 value. Cos 30 value means this 3 divided by 4, square root of left hand side divided by total. For sin theta, right hand side divided by total. Cos theta, left hand side divided by total, the square root of. So cos 45, 2 divided by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. Then cos 60, 1 divided by 4, 1 by 2. Cos 90, 0 divided by 4, that is 0. Then you easily find tan theta, cos theta by sin theta, cosecant theta reciprocal of sin theta, secant theta reciprocal of cos theta, cot theta reciprocal of tan theta. It's a basic things for trigonometric. Thank you.